will see right here, it just says beat the odds with data-driven bets. You will just see that it's showing you that up here it's saying it's going to be up, but on down here it's saying it's going to be down. So there is no way it can be up and down. What is poppin', y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daysh, and this right here is DashofDaysh TV, where we focus on saving our coins, honoring our confidence, and building these empires, honey. If you are new here, welcome, booze. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we're awesome around here. And if you are coming back, welcome back, babes. We missed you so much since the last time. So today we are here for a really good one. Y'all know I've been dropping gems and side hustles since way back in 2020 just to get this money, to be able to do different things that you want to do, pay your bills, take vacations, whatever. So today we are here for a really good one, which leads me to today's sponsor, which is OddsJam. Thank you so much for believing in this channel and the content that we put out around here. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So OddsJam is a data-driven sports betting platform that allows you to make educated bets by giving you real-time data. So I have personally got into the betting world with my boyfriend. We have made, how much is it, babe? 5,000, and I can put a screenshot up here because y'all know we like to provide receipts. We made almost $6,000 actually in the sports betting platform. So when OddsJam reached out to me and showed me their platform, I thought it was brilliant. And so today I'm gonna be walking you guys through the platform and just showing you guys the different things that they can provide to make educated bets online with real-time data. The best thing that we're gonna talk about today is their arbitrage tools, which literally shows you ways to make safe bets. If it don't get better than that, then I don't know. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with the babe that may need it, and let's go ahead and hop into it. Alrighty, babe. So when you come onto the OddsJam website, you will see up here you can either do sports betting or fantasy betting. I haven't dove too much into the fantasy betting, but you can do that both on this platform. And you will see right here, it just says beat the odds with data-driven bets. And so I'm here in Texas, so you can only gamble with certain apps in certain states. So you'll have to check it out for the state that you reside in. But there's a lot of different things that you could do with this particular platform, which is why I kind of like it, and we're just going to dive into it a little bit. And so you can see right here, it says unlock your betting potential with industry leading tools. And so they give you a whole bunch of promos to sign up at the beginning. Sometimes you don't even have to play with your own money just to get started betting. Bonus bet converters, the arbitrage bets, which is what we're really here to talk about today, and then a whole bunch of different things. And so the arbitrage betting system, it is a paid service, so it's $149 a month, I do believe, but you're able to come on here and try it for 7 days. If you don't like it, you can cancel it, whatever, you don't have to pay for it. And so they have you can connect with their customer service people and stuff. I actually did that myself. And so there's just a whole bunch of different things that you can do. And so here are the promo finders. You can actually just click here if you want to just look at all the promos that you're available for. And so it just brings you right here, and then you can view all of them. And then these are just a whole bunch of different ones. So look, on Better, I actually haven't put anything on Better yet. I want to wait until we save up a lot. I don't know what just happened there, to be able to do that 500, and they'll match that 500 with you. I don't know what just happened. I think it often refreshes, and so you kind of have to just catch it when you can. But yeah, so you can come on here and see which one's the best one just to get started. And they really recommend that you download all of them, so you have a whole bunch of different opportunities, and you guys will see what I'm talking about here in a minute when we kind of go through that arbitrage system. And so yeah, so there's just a whole bunch of different things. I haven't made too many bets. I actually haven't made any bets yet at all on OddsJam, but I do plan on it because I just feel like this is one of the best ways to just get into betting. So let's actually go to the arbitrage system. Okay, so when you come into the arbitrage betting system, and it actually was a little bit more on the app. So they have an app as well, but when you click on it, you will just see that it's showing you that up here it's saying it's going to be up, but on down here it's saying it's going to be down. So there is no way it can be up and down. So it's just letting you know that if you go and bet on both of these different platforms, you have to win. Of course, it's going to look like you lose on one platform because you can't win on both. But if you go and make these exact bets, like it's literally telling you what to do. You don't have to know anything about bets or anything. This system, it just kind of walks you through the own bets, like if you don't know anything at all. So if you come over here into the positive expected value bets, these are all different bets that you can just kind of come through here and just click on, and you don't have to make the bet yourself. You don't have to make the bet, but these are just what do they call it? Discrepancies. So they're looking for discrepancies between the two apps. Like I said, you can't, there is no way that a player like Draymond Green will get more than 5 rebounds and less than 5 rebounds. He has to get one or the other. So that's what OddsJam is doing. It's coming in here and it's finding those discrepancies between the different betting platforms. And these are the betting platforms here. You have Bodog, you have Bovada. I think prizepicks is on here. Underdog is on here. A whole bunch of different ones, just depending again on the state that you're in. And so you can do, look, there's hockey, there's basketball, there's soccer, there's tennis. And again, you don't have to know anything about sports, but if you do have a preference of the sport, it's going to be on here. So I really just like this because between the positive EV tool and then the arbitrage betting, if you don't know much about betting and you want to get into it, then this is going to be good for you. Alrighty, babe, so I just wanted to come and share this to show you 100% what their prices is. And so it is that $149 a month, which includes that arbitrage tool and also the positive EV global system that I showed you. And so that $149 a month, and there is that 7-day free trial, or you can just do their fantasy optimizer or their platinum platforms. And if you have any questions about what includes what and what don't, again, just reach out to somebody on the OddsJam customer service team. And so yeah, babes, there's typically a whole bunch of other bets that I would have liked you to walk through, and we'll do more videos like this because like I said, I've made thousands and thousands of dollars already in the online space along with my boyfriend, because he knows more than I do anyway, about betting and stuff. So I think OddsJam, along with the other betting platforms, just being able to compare them is going to be really good. I wish I could show you more. The All-Star game is coming up on Sunday, so that's why there's not a whole bunch of bets, because I don't think there's going to be any more games until Monday. They're resting up for that game. But like I said, we will do, here's one bet. Here's one that just popped up, and I'll do a screen recording real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because I like it a little bit better here on the iPad. And so when I click on it, it's going to be the NHL hockey game, and so it's just showing you that one platform is saying under 6.5 and then the other platform is saying over 6.5. It literally cannot be the both of them. And so that's what this arbitrage betting system is doing. And when there's a whole bunch of them, it'll kind of show you different ranges and percentages that it believes that it's going to be correct. And again, if you want to know more, you can connect with the customer service agent and they'll answer any questions that you have about the arbitrage betting system. And you can also do it for 7 days for free. And if you don't like it, cancel it. It don't keep anything you don't like. So I just wanted to come and share it with you guys because we're coming up on about $6,000 earned online. It is, again, this is gambling. You are gambling, so there is going to be some wins and there are going to be some losses, but when you do it strategically and when you're making sure that your odds are better, then you know, why not? So if you are into like going to the casino and if you like to bet with your friends and stuff or whatever, this is perfect for you. If you like sports, you can get into it. If you don't know anything about sports, you can still get into it. And I really like OddsJam because they just give you all the tools that you need and you don't have to pay for it. I don't know if you can use the website or not for free without paying, but I do know that the arbitrage system, it is a paid service. It's $149 a month, and you can do a 7-day free trial. Alrighty, babes, and that's all I'm gonna have for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. Comment down below if you guys have tried any different sport betting systems. Again, there's a whole bunch of different ones out there. If you are interested in OddsJam, there will be a link down below in the comments and in the description box. Again, you can sign up for the 7-day free trial if you are interested and utilize that customer service team because that is what they are there for. And that's all I'm gonna have for today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do not forget that DashofDaysh TV is the place for us to save our coins on our confidence, and we'll continue to build these empires, honey. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Love you. Bye.